Hey, I'm up here at Trout Run Creek today, and I'm up here with my son at Mayo Clinic. We're going to be up here a while. I was able to step out for a little while today and check out the wild brown trout here at Trout Run Creek. And I'm at the Buck Snort access, and from here upriver for about 4 miles is supposed to be the better stretch. So we'll see how it goes. I have no idea, but it's going to be fun just to get out. So here's my strategy. Since I've never fished here before, I'm just, before I even step in the water, I'm going to just work the edge. Looks like there's a little bit of an eddy. I'm fishing deep, about 5 feet deep. It's about what it looks like. If I start hitting the bottom, I'll adjust. Oh, that's a nice fish. I think this is my biggest fish here. I switched over to a John Deere. I thought the caddis were over with. And then this little dude, oh, is that a brownie? Oh, that's a little brownie, looky here. And I fished this under a strike indicator deep where it's near the bottom.